Guys, I am on a tree branch. I literally climbed it from right there. I grabbed onto that and my leg right there. And I just went here. I don't know why. Just for entertainment. Also, we're at Laod. And boom. Boom. My mom. Look, it still goes so far all the way over there. See that? Boom. See? Told you. Told you to go far. See that?
Wala na, ninukap mo dahil ta tricycle mo nang umpat.
Dude, I don't know how to get down. I can't go there because this thing is in the way.
Tanto palpalobos niya po. Gasatan to diyan na mo di.
Comment your favorite color and your channel so I can subscribe to you. Peace.
Panunot. Agad sa skila ti kulay siya